I'm working my way through a new batch of marking gauge blocks at the moment. This is a tool that I've designed which carries out various functions, but one of them is you can use it as actually a marking gauge. You've got two options when you use it as a marking gauge. You can use a metal beam like that, or you can use a wooden beam, and that fits in that slot. And at the moment I'm going through the process of finishing these brass pins which I've turned down on the lathe, and they'll end up with a cutout. You can see that. So when I'm machining the hole for the beam, I want to do the cutout at the same time. So the distance of the wider part of the pin is 20mm, and the slot is 20mm deep. So what I do is put a 1mm washer on the pin, slot that into the hole, and then I put that in the vise, and because that's 1mm proud, the pressure on the vise holds the pin and the block together. And when I've drilled the hole, I take the pin out and take that 1mm washer out, and that means that when the beam is in position, there's going to be a 1mm gap there, and the pin stands proud of the block by 1mm so that the plate can put pressure on the pin.